Hey you guys, it's your girl Shella. I'm here with you today to do a fried tilapia and fried eggplant. And that's what we'll have for our dinner. What's up everybody? It's your girl Shella with PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way. And we are coming, I say we this time because I got my little granddaughter. Introduce yourself.
My name is Sanaya.
She's gonna spend the weekend with us. So we're gonna do some tilapia. We've done that before. And I'm gonna have her help me. And we're gonna take them out of these individual packs, wash them off. So we're gonna have some skinless, because we're not gonna bread it with anything, fried tilapia. And I'm gonna do that same mayonnaise sauce like I did last time. And then we're gonna have us some eggplant. It's already been washed. I just gotta cut it.
Eggplant.
Yeah, it's a big eggplant, so it's enough for us all. And it's gonna be fried as well. So, hopefully we don't burn down the house. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and get this fish taken out of the individual packs. And then we'll see you in just a minute. All right, you guys, we're back. And as you can see, my granddaughter has already taken them out the packs. And we have washed them. See that? Now we're gonna season them. And my granddaughter over here is gonna help. Y'all saw her? All right, so first thing we're gonna do, lemon pepper. So take it and lightly sprinkle because we're gonna do both sides. You gotta get it out, baby. You gotta do it like this. See?
I'm trying not to pour too much.
Just like this. Okay, so that's the lemon pepper. Passing the onion powder. Right, we got onion powder. Next is black pepper. She's handing me the black pepper. I know we want to do a black pepper last, so I won't sneeze, but we'll let her sneeze today. Here, you put the black pepper on it.
Let's grab the pepper.
Okay, then you go to the next and put the paprika. Let them know you're putting paprika on it.
Paprika. So,
And tell them that's for color.
this for color. So, and it smells good too.
You like the smell?
Yes, I do.
And I'm just over here getting this ready. So when you fry the fish, we put it on here. Gotta put some napkins on it.
Garlic powder.
All right, very good with the seasoning.
Next.
Cayenne. I keep getting tongue-tied with that. Cayenne pepper.
Pepper.
Or cayenne powder. Which one does it say?
Pepper.
Mm-hmm. Now this, now you don't want to pour a whole hunk of that on there because that is spicy hot. So flip that lid and sprinkle it. Now I like mine spicy, so put a little more. Be a little heavy with that pepper, yeah. Okay. Now you flip them over. Take and flip them over. Flip all of them over.
It's gonna be some good food, guys.
Now once you flip all those over, she's gonna do the same exact thing. She's gonna reverse what she just did. Turn them all over. Okay, y'all gotta get them in the kitchen young. Okay, wipe your hands off. And then start again. And I'm gonna take this lemon, you guys, because I'm gonna sprinkle the lemon on it, but I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. 30 seconds and this thing gonna juice up. Woo! You gotta show it to the camera to make sure they know what you're putting on there. And you gotta be a little bit more heavier because I can't quite see enough on there. Okay.
Next we have, guys, onion powder.
Onion powder. Do your mom let you cook and season at home? All right, so you should be a pro. Microwave just stopped. I'm just gonna
Ooh, I
squeeze it
can
with
smell it.
that lemon. You got the black pepper now?
The black pepper.
Now make sure you show it to the camera so you know what you're putting on there. Now what you doing next after the black pepper?
I am doing
Paprika.
paprika.
You gotta show it so they can see the words.
Paprika.
Okay.
Okay. This is the one I like, guys.
Well, you're gonna put a lot of that because that just adds the color and make it real pretty. Make it look like it's breaded, but it's not once you fry it up. Okay. Next.
We got garlic powder.
Okay.
You can see that it's bright.
And the last but not least, show it to the camera.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper. Ooh, I always want to make sure the holes is on
I
that
keep forgetting.
because you're gonna pour that, somebody's mouth gonna be on fire, and we'll make sure we get it to your granddaddy Frank.
Oh.
All right,
Now
go
he'll
ahead.
get mad at us.
All right,
It
so a little
smells-
more. You need a little more.
It smells so good, guys.
Yeah. All right, so we're done with that. I'm gonna sit this over to the side because you guys see that? See that seasoned fish?
Good.
She did a great job seasoning that tilapia. So I'll put it over to the side. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting the eggplant. So this eggplant looks good. It's a big one. We're gonna try to do it as thinly as we can. You guys see that? I love me some eggplants. Oh,
It smells good.
it's just it could actually be another meat because it's really meaty. And so we're not gonna batter fry this either, you guys. We're just gonna season it, and put it in the fry pan and let it fry down. Sometimes I take them out of the skins, but we're gonna leave them. We're gonna leave them on. All right, so we're gonna get this cut up. I would have let her do it, but I don't want her chance of getting her fingers cut.
Throw this away.
Now I'm gonna cut another more piece off of that because this right here, just pull it back a little bit, and you just can get another piece off of that. All right, yeah, you can throw that away now. We try not to be wasteful at all. So I'm gonna actually get this little bowl right here.
This bowl.
We're gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna get one egg. One egg. And go ahead and sprinkle with the seasonings and make sure you show to the camera what you're sprinkling.
Lemon pepper. Guys, you really can't see it on there, but we're gonna do the best we can. And they're right there now.
That's right. What was that? Did you show it to the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lemon pepper.
I'll spread them around.
I'm trying.
You got, when you season, baby, you gotta take and you gotta move that stuff around. Make sure that seasoning is getting on everything. See that? Make sure it's getting on. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Okay, so that's good enough for black pepper. Woo. Woo. Now with black pepper, y'all. Woo. Woo.
And parsley. Bless you.
Ooh.
Guys, really
Paprika.
paprika.
Paprika. Paprika.
I really
Okay,
opened
sprinkle
it
it on.
except for try to open it from the top a whole bunch.
A whole lot.
A whole lot. Make sure I season every bit of it.
That's right.
Because you don't want to get no food out, then be tasting different.
Now, I do want you to put a little bit more lemon powder on it. We're going to put just a little bit more lemon pepper on there. Because we want it all, make sure she gets them all between the cracks.
Okay.
Okay. What's that? Garlic? Did you do garlic powder?
Garlic powder. Heavy. Remember that when I get in my kitchen.
That's right.
My own kitchen.
That's right. So we won't put any cayenne pepper on it. We won't put that on there. No. Now we're gonna crack an egg, and I want you to take this egg and kind of make sure that it gets all around on that. Get the egg and just make sure it gets all in there.
Make sure it get all in
That egg, see the egg at the bottom? You just take and just get it all in there.
Just get it.
All in there. We're taking a bath in this, you guys. I'm gonna make sure we get it all in there.
Yep. And don't leave none out.
Okay. So now we got that all massaged in there. We'll come back to the fish. And remember that lemon I juiced up for like 30 seconds? We're gonna just cut this top part off this lemon, like so.
Ooh, this
And then we're gonna let the lemon rain. Look at this, you guys.
Ooh, this is gonna be so sweet.
Lemon is not sweet, baby. Lemon is good.
Sweet.
Yeah, we're gonna let this lemon rain all on there. There we go. Now we're gonna turn the eye on and put some grease in this pot, and we're gonna fry this stuff up. So we'll be back in just a second. All right, you guys, we're back. Now we're gonna drop this good old tilapia fish into the grease. I'm not gonna let my granddaughter come near this flame because I don't want her getting burned. Y'all hear that sizzle?
It's higher and even higher.
You can get about 4 in there. We got about a total of 9 fillets, so we got 5 left. And while that's frying up, we're gonna go ahead and put our eggplants in the fry pan as well. Take on this fish. And you know what I do, I fry on high.
We can see that.
My husband don't like me frying on high, but hey, it gets done what needs to get done. And that is
It gets done faster.
It does, it gets done faster.
At least we eating.
Eggplant fried up. And pretty much that's what we're going to have for dinner, you guys. We're going to have fried eggplant, and we're going to have some fried tilapia. And we didn't bread any of them. So we'll let that fry up. You got to take a look at that. See that? Oh yeah. That's the tilapia. And over here, see that? That's the eggplant. We're gonna let them fry up and we'll be back. All right, you guys, we're back. We're all fried up. We have our fried tilapia, which is non-breaded. Don't that look good? Look at that. Y'all have smell vision? That's good. Then we have, of course, our fried eggplants, which is
good.
not battered. Fried eggplants, you guys. Yay. Now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make a a mayonnaise sauce for the fish. Kind of similar to what we did last time. We're not gonna make much, but we're gonna make this enough for us for tonight. So I'm gonna take about, like I said, I don't ever measure anything. I'm gonna take about maybe 2 heaping, or maybe 3 heaping spoonfuls of this. I have Kraft mayonnaise. 2, 1 more big one. 3. Okay, Kraft mayonnaise. Got that. Down there. Have my assistant over here. Hey. Then we're gonna take some onion powder and add it to the mayonnaise.
That's a lot.
We'll use all the rest of this right here because I threw that bottle away.
This
some
is
more onion powder. Put just a little bit of garlic. Show that. And then some cayenne pepper, some little spice.
Ooh.
Some good old spice. Show that. And then the last but not least, we're gonna put some lemon pepper in there, some little lemon pepper, and then top it with some lemon juice. So we're gonna squeeze the lemon. I'm gonna put my hope I can see this. I'll put my hand under here so we don't get any seeds in there. Yeah, we don't want to get any seeds. We want all lemon.
You hear that lemon juice?
Make it rain, make it rain. Ooh. Ooh, bless me.
Bless you.
All right, then we're gonna stir it up, you guys.
Real good.
Stir it, stir it, stir it. Stir it up. See that? See that? See that, you guys? Now let me taste it. Okay, you want to try it? Okay, it's good. All right, so we're gonna, next time you see us, you guys, we're gonna be at the table eating what we just prepared. Just something a little simple. It's already late, and we want to eat. So this is what we're gonna have for our din. So check us out on PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way. Woohoo! And also we'll be eating this on PromoSTK. Eating good
In the neighborhood.
all right now. Whoop, whoop.